Chances are, if you're watching this video, you are into Halloween. You got to get Embers. Nothing says Halloween like a pumpkin. And this groundbreaker is just fantastic. Let's go check out some Halloween. Party City. Embers is mine. Party City. Thank you. Thank you, Party City. This is going home with me. Sorry, I'm a little excited.
Hallelujah.
Oh, that's right. I
got freaking Embers.
I love pumpkins. This is gonna be awesome. The color already looks super cool. Oh man, the head is huge. Wow. Oh man. Look at that head. Oh, that is so cool. That is awesome. Oh man. Oh man. Let me get this box to the side here. Just gonna sit it up on the table for now. This guy is pretty thick. The plastic, I would say, is about, I would say it's anywhere between 2 to 3 millimeters thick. Holy moly, this thing is so cool. Put the head on here. It's just a twist lock. Oh yeah! Wow. Inside this box it has the directions, and there's also ground stakes in here. So if you don't want to just take that out and discard it, I don't need the ground stakes right now, and they're just ground stakes. Everybody knows what they look like. So put that to the side and get the arms out here. Oh man, look at the hand. That hand is huge. Very, very big. Oh, here's another hand. It's definitely way bigger than this table, but I gotta set this thing up. Here's the right upper arm here. Same thing, it's just twist lock. Put that there, kind of like that. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. You gotta get this. Nothing says Halloween more than a freaking pumpkin, and Party City, home run. I mean, come on. Here we got this arm, same thing, twist lock in there. Get it on the right way here. Yeah, it's not even gonna fit at all in here. Now this piece right here just kind of pops up inside of there. What? Holy moly. And you can make this thing kind of look bigger too, depending on how far you put that hand out. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna have this hand propped up on top of a pumpkin. Oh man. I don't care what anybody says. This thing is freaking awesome. I got a special idea to go around the bottom of this groundbreaker. Embers is so freaking cool. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark and put this thing outside. Embers is so awesome. I can only think of one thing to kind of step it up a little bit, and that's making a fake fire around it. So we got some Halloween lights, some spray foam. I laid down some cardboard, traced around the body. Now I'm gonna cut that out, lay the lights down, spray it with the foam, and then I'm gonna hit it with some black and red spray paint. That way Embers is gonna look like it's got some fire around it. This is gonna be sweet, and I think a lot of people might end up doing it. All right, there really is no science to this, and there's about 1 million videos on YouTube showing you how to do this. It's really easy. You lay your lights out, spray the foam on there. You can see I got the cutout where Embers is gonna fit inside there. A little tip on the way I do it is I use some steady lights and some blinking lights, and I tape it down on top of cardboard, and you wanna make sure that you have some of the lights sticking up. Just like that. It kind of gives a better effect. Other than that, spray your foam on there, let it dry, and give it a light dust of black. Add some reds, browns if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will get Embers on here and check it out. You gotta make this little fire pit. It's so easy, and it is gonna make Embers just stand out that much more. I think this could be an awesome add-on from Party City next year. Make a little plastic fire pit to go around Embers. Even rattles or the skeleton variants, if you corpsed them and did a fire pit like this. This is gonna be sick. I can't wait for this to dry up. And then I'll put embers in here and we will check it out. You gotta have pumpkins out for Halloween. And this groundbreaker is the best. Absolutely love this thing. The darker it gets, the better this guy is looking. If you can, get this drop down scarecrow. He's an amazing jump scare. These are some pumpkins that I make. They come out really cool. And I got a bunch more to go out here. There's an alien one that I just made not too long ago. This is a pumpkin genie that I made. I got a video for that also, but embers with this fire pit is a must. You got to do it, even if you've got rattles or one of those skeleton variants. That's just another way to make it pop. But man, I love embers. So cool. You got to have pumpkins for Halloween, and nothing is better than that guy. The only thing that could make him better is if he was like 10 times bigger. That blacklight reactive paint on embers is just so cool. That's an amazing touch, and I'm so glad they did that. Very, very awesome prop. Huge thanks to Party City for having an amazing lineup for the Halloween season 2024. This is so cool. Everything they got is awesome. Now go down and smash that like and subscribe button. I got videos coming out all the time. I appreciate everybody watching. Monster Mike, out.